Good morning, GP. How are you today? Friday. Woo! Weekend. It was a very short week, wasn't it? So the last tasks for this week and maths. So 3D shapes. We continue discussing 3D shapes and their properties, and we will also do it during our online lesson at 10:30, as usually. So yesterday I asked you to do one task about 3D shapes after watching the video. So I want you to have this worksheet or the answers with you, okay? Because we are going to check it together. And we'll also discuss the properties, as I said, during our online lesson. So, as the task for today, I assigned on Mathletics some tasks about some activities about 3D shapes and their properties. So, when you log into your Mathletics account, you should see the assigned activity. Okay, so I want you to do them, and the deadline is the 5th of June. So you've got like a week to do to complete the activities. However, don't leave them like for the last day, for the 4th of June, okay? Just do them today, as many as you can. So you won't have many tasks for the next days. I know that there are 3 students who did or who completed almost all the tasks. So you've got a bit less work as you did it before. So Antec, Lily, less work for this week for you. And there is also one more worksheet on Google Drive in the folder with the 29th of May. Kahoot games, if you didn't have time to play them yesterday, you can still try some challenges and play Kahoot games about 3D based, of course. English be going to. So for future predictions, work to be completed. Remember that you don't need to print it out, okay? You can just use your English notebook to do that. And there are 9 sentences that you need to write. So it would be even nice not to print it, just to practice your handwriting a bit. And unit of inquiry. So we still continue talking about fossil fuels. For today, oil formation. So how was the oil formed? PowerPoint presentation on Google Drive, sorry. But if you still feel like not comfortable about knowing the process, there is also a video to be watched. Okay, so you can choose the better option for you. And for the volunteers, wonderful is how is gasoline? What is the gasoline made of? So as you probably remember that web page, you may read the text, you may listen. You may listen to the text. There is an extra video to be watched, and and you can test your knowledge after it. And that's it for today. Not too many tasks. I hope they are not too difficult. Remember that if you've got any problem, you can just let me know. We can meet before the meeting or we can stay after our meeting to solve the tasks together. Okay? So see you at 10:30. Don't forget your math worksheet from yesterday. See ya!